Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. As you saw in the intro, today we'll be installing the R&J lever guards for both the right and left levers. Watch until the end to know how you can win one of the two lever guards I'll be giving away. I would like to thank R&J Racing for sending the products and being an active partner of the channel. I'll leave all their info in the description for you to check them out and see their awesome catalog. In the box, you'll get everything you need for the installation, including the lever guards, screws, and accessories. It's a very simple install, which makes a big difference in your motorcycle protection and aesthetics. All you have to do is remove the OEM bar and protections and use the included accessories to mount your lever guards. Giveaway time. I'll be giving away 2 brake lever protections from R&J Racing, one on YouTube and another on Instagram. Just subscribe and follow, and I'll choose one random YouTube and another random Instagram comment on the giveaway post. For more information, read the description below. Thanks for watching.